Hey, welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers. That's our new name if you haven't heard. Dominic's at the helm, he's holding the camera. Today I'm going to make something very interesting. A lot of people haven't heard about it, but honestly it's been around over 300 years in Naples, Italy. It's a fried pizza. I'm going to go ahead and show you how it's done. Hang out and take some notes. All right, I'm going to start out with a very simple tomato sauce. This is the type of sauce they use when they're making the wood-burning pizzas. It's very simple. It's San Marzano tomato, fresh basil, garlic, and extra virgin olive oil. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the extra virgin olive oil. It's only about 2 tablespoons. And then all we need is just 1 clove of garlic. And to squeeze that in there. Get that out. I'm going to let that fry up until it's a little translucent. All right, the garlic is ready. It's a little translucent. I'm going to go ahead and add 28 ounces of whole peeled tomato. These are the San Marzano. A couple of tomatoes. There we go. And we're going to go ahead and let this cook for about 5 minutes before I blend them up. But first, I'm going to put just 1 teaspoon of salt. That's all it needs. And then I'm going to go ahead and put about 3 large basil leaves in there. And we're going to let that cook up for about 5 minutes. All right, tomatoes have been cooking for about 5 minutes now. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my new toy, the emulsion blender. I love this thing. If you don't have one of these, just blend it up. If you don't have one of these, you can just blend it in a blender before you actually cook it. And there it goes. Now I'm just going to let that cook out for about 10 more minutes, and then we're good to go. All right, sauce is ready. I'm going to go ahead and just move it over to the side, and then we're going to start frying up some pizza. All right, we got our canola oil up to about 423 degrees. It's all ready. I'm going to go ahead and start stretching the dough and fry it. You want to put it in a little flour so this way it doesn't stick to your hands. Makes it easy to stretch. I'm going to go ahead and form my crust. I want to make it narrow because it's going to fluff up when I start frying it. My cousin Mickey had a request. He wanted me to throw this pizza up in the air, so I'm going to do it one time because I got to keep it small. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this in the fryer. Real gently. Be careful. This oil is very, very hot. Let that fry up. There we go. Lift the corners so this way that air bubble, air pocket in the middle goes down. There we go. Let that fry in there for about a minute is all it needs. And then we're going to go ahead and flip this over. There's air pockets. All right. Oh, kind of smells like a zeppola, if you know what that is. It's an Italian, I guess, dessert. They fry some dough and they pour some powdered sugar on it after that. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and flip this over real gently. Let that fry for about a minute. Now these are great to prepare ahead of time, and this way you have all your crust ready and all you have to do is put the toppings on. You know, these are great for parties with kids. Of course you don't want them frying the dough, but you get the dough all prepared and then they could put their own toppings on it. They have a blast with it. Okay. excess oil out. And there you have it, fried dough. Okay. All right, I'm getting ready to start 4 variations of pizza, this fried pizza. We're gonna do a Napolitan style, which is just the basic margherita with fresh tomato or San Marzano tomato and fresh mozzarella and fresh basil. And then we'll do a New York style pepperoni and cheese. And then we're gonna do a ricotta pizza. Start right here. Looks good. The tomato is so beautiful, light. Okay, now this one here, the first one, is going to be our margherita pizza. All it is tomato, fresh mozzarella, and fresh basil. And this next one is going to be a New York style. Add a little oregano to that one. And some whole milk mozzarella. And we'll add some pepperoni on that one. Okay. And then this one here is going to be a New York style cheese. So add some more oregano on this one. And just some cheese on here. And last but not least, this is our ricotta pizza. It's kind of like an open face calzone. It's got all the ingredients of a calzone. I'm going to spread this ricotta on here. What I did was I went ahead and thinned it out a bit. It was very thick. I put some cream in there. If you don't have any heavy whipping cream, you can use a little milk, like a tablespoon. That's perfect. Okay, then we're going to put whole milk mozzarella on there. Perfect. Throw some of this fresh mozz on here. We had extra left over. And then I'm going to put some sausage that I got from our Italian deli out here in Dallas, Jimmy's. They make excellent Italian sausage. And by the way, I also got this cheese from them as well. This fresh mozzarella and whole milk mozzarella. They have the best. Now, if you don't have a local deli that's got this type of cheese, you can always use a shredded cheese. I like to use Sargento if I can't get this type of cheese. All right, let's start getting these cooked. Let me get my pizza screened. I'm gonna go ahead and cook 2 at a time. So the first 2 will cook. Oh, I've got the most one of the important ingredients, the basil, on the margherita pizza. I'm gonna put a few leaves on there. Beautiful. Okay, we'll start out with this one here. Slide it on that one. And we'll start out with New York style cheese pizza. I'll go ahead and put these in the oven. Put them on a middle rack. This way they cook evenly. There we go. I'm gonna let them cook for about 5 minutes and we'll check on it. All right. Oh yeah, pizza is ready. I'm gonna go ahead and check the bottom. Oh, very nice. Look at that pizza. Perfect. Fried pizza. That's 1. 2, margherita pizza. Nice golden brown. I'm going to go ahead and put these in the oven. Ricotta pizza. Back here. And a pepperoni New York style. All right, let that cook, and I'm going to... Oh, you can hear the crunch on that. There we go. Fried pizza. Look at that crust, nice and airy. Beautiful. All right. All right, pizzas are ready. These took a total of 7 minutes to cook after we fried that dough and put the toppings on. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pull these out. There we go. So New York pepperoni and the ricotta pizza here. All right. I'm gonna cut that up. You can hear the crunch on it. It's cooked perfect. There you have it. 2 more fried pizzas.
Beautiful pizzas.
Let's go taste them. Save that one. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and...
Man, those look good. Excellent.
Right, now we're gonna go ahead and test these puppies out. They look really good and smell wonderful. Dom, go ahead.
Nice, nice.
I'm gonna start out with the margarita pizza.
Yeah, that sounds good. Me too.
Wow. Fried dough.
Very good.
Well, who would have thought that you can fry a pizza? Anyway, thanks for watching. I appreciate the subscribers, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Cousin Mickey had a request. He wanted me to throw the dough up in the air. There you go.
Do it again. But make sure to land in front of you. All right.